What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Michael here, ChiCityYaker. Now on this trip right here, I didn't get a chance to do my normal or my new kind of intro and setup and talk through on the experience. I had a camera, I forgot the battery. It happens, right? So what you're about to see in this video is me out on the hunt for brown trout after first ice out. So let's go ahead and get straight out into the water. And don't forget, you want my detailed fishing reports, they're all on my Patreon. Check the link down below and for all the gear that I'm using as well. And I'll see you guys soon. All right, we're changing up the plan here. We made a couple passes with no success. I'll take that back. We had two hits, but they didn't stick. It might have been the same fish hit, missed it, and came back. Let's go 30 back. And you know what? When you're brown fishing, these fish can be very picky. They can be very picky. So what I want to do now is I'm going to focus on trying to be more precise. When it comes to using spinning rods and stuff, it's harder to be precise in the amount of line you have out. So I'm gonna pull out one of the line counter rods out. I'm gonna start setting specific, feet back, and I'm gonna start working a presentation where I think is gonna be a little bit more precise, and we're gonna see if that ends up producing. There we go. There we go. Hooked up, hooked up. There we go. He's fighting. I haven't seen him yet. There he is back there, I see him. Whew. Finally got our hit. Slow down a little bit. There we go. Let's see what we got here. Probably a brown, I'm thinking. Let's see what we got here, boys. All right. There we go. Smack that up. We finally dialed it in. Finally dialed it in. It's gonna be a nice little brownie. All right. Well, we shook off the good old no fish stink. All right. It's our first fish for today. Nice little brownie. I'm not gonna keep them. We're gonna throw them back for today. Kind of what I suspected is the case. The fish are real kind of jittery and spooky. So helping me get them out and work a specified depth got us our first fish. So we're gonna try and reset the lines to the same exact amount of feet that I had it set out for the first catch. And let's see if we can do that again. We got our lines reset, and we're gonna go back over the spot where we caught that small brown, a little juvenile brown. We're kind of looking for bigger fish, but this time of year you can get into a lot of the juvenile fish, which are great eating size fish, to be honest with you. There we go. There we go. There we go. Another hookup. Oh, we doubled up. We doubled up? I don't know if we doubled up or we got the same fish. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, this is a mess. I don't know if we got the same fish or what. Uh-oh. This is what happens when you got 3 lines in. Holy crap. Oh, slow down our speed. Oh man. He might be tangled in the lines. We'll see here. No, get out from there. There we go. He obliterated that. And he's trying to get into my other line. It's another brown. Oh, it's a nicer size fish. All right, we got that one. I actually think we got two separate fish. I think we just doubled it, and I think he's still on. Okay, hold on. This is gonna be a mess. He's still on there. We've got two fish. We got two fish, baby. Oh yeah, he feels good. This feels like a good fish. Let's see. All right. We're gonna drop our speed down. Absolutely insane with the double up. Talking about dialing it in. The precision changes that we made by using the line counters as opposed to the spinning rods. Now, I did get hit with the spinning rod, but I was purposely fishing that one higher up in the water column. All right. This is a bit of a, you know, what kind of a show I'm talking about here. There we go. Hold that one down. Hopefully he's still on. Yep. Wow. Wow. Yeah, he's still on. We're still on. We're still on. We are still on. Yep. He's still on. Insane. They went off at the same time. Oh. My drag was messed up. There we go. Oh. He's fighting. Let's see what we got here. There we go. He's putting up a fight. I don't know how I'm gonna net these fish. This is actually there we go. He's fighting pretty good. Oh man, what? Oh my God. He's putting up a fight, you know, that cold water, get him going. He is trying everything in his power to get off. I think, holy crap. All right, he's right underneath the kayak. It's probably another brown. Oh, come on. There we go. It's a nice fish. It's a nice one. Not giant, but you know what? We may end up keeping some of these after all. There we go. Guys, it was ugly. Painfully ugly. But we got it done. Let me get this sorted out and show you what we got. All right. We got it done. It was a complete mess. But there's number one and There's number 2. Listen, they made me pay. They made me pay for catching them. It was a complete mess of tangle, but we got it in, got it done. I'm all slimed up here. You gotta love it, man. All right, so we're resetting lines out. We dialed it in. There's quite a few people out fishing right now, but we're the only ones catching fish. And we put together a pattern here. So what do? Wash, rinse, repeat. I'm gonna get this line back out here. I didn't want to keep any fish today. Got a bunch of meat already, but there was no way these fish were gonna survive in the net that long, and me trying to undo all the mess from that double up. So we're just gonna harvest them. It's no big deal. We've got people to give the meat to, so it's not gonna go to waste, which I'm very big on. I don't like to ever waste any kind of fish. I am not going to put a third line back out there just because, I'm sure we can get another fish that way, but I don't want to deal with the mess. I'm just going to be honest. I don't want to deal with the mess. It's a headache. I already broke a split ring off of one of the trebles on the lure, so I have to replace that. It's a mess. And if you are thinking about running 3 lines and you're not kind of experienced, I don't recommend that you do it. You probably saw me bumbling around everywhere. It can get really chaotic, and that is when you'll not pay attention to what's happening in the water, and you'll catch a wave the wrong way. You'll slip over. You'll lean too far. So I do not recommend, honestly, running 3 lines until you're way more confident in your abilities on the water, comfortable in your kayak, and you can see why. So oh, we got a fish. It just hit. What the heck? I literally pulled the rod out and it hit. The fish hit as I pulled the rod out, I think. Or was it on here the whole time? What the? I don't know. I don't know, but we got a fish on. Oh, he's pulling. He's pulling. Oh, man. He's actually pulling. Let's slow down a bit. Oh. All right, I don't know if the fish was on when I checked the rod earlier, because I didn't feel anything. So I put it back, or if it just hit right as I pulled the rod out of the rod holder. But we will take it either way. Yeah, there it is. This will make fish number 4. 4 for 4? No, 4 for 6 today so far. We threw one back. It was a little bit on the smaller side. The 2 I kept were actually nicer size, good eating, and they weren't going to survive anyway. So let's see what we got here for size. It hasn't come up but flopped up, which makes me think it could be a nicer size brown. And yep, it is a nicer size brown. You can usually tell the bigger size browns because they don't thrash around. Smaller juvenile browns will kind of act more like coho. This is actually a nicer size brown, so. Oh, no, come here, buddy. I'm gonna want to release this one. There we go, come on. Oh, he's still fighting me. Still fighting me. All right, see if we can get him in here. Oh, oh, not yet. He's not ready. There it is. Oh. There we go. Here we go. Nice 5-pound brown. Let's get her back in the water. Off she goes. Perfect.